Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to present the line dance Let's Groove. The song is Shake Your Pants, the artist is CAMEO, and the choreography is Tanya G, aka Quiet Storm. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. This is the demo. If you want the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Extravaganza here in New Orleans, Louisiana, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website for all the detailed information and also to book your hotel and registration at www.lmiunola.com. And here we go. Oh, also I will be using a modification. There is a full turn back here. I'll be doing the original and also I'll do a modification for those who can't turn, okay? Here we go. Short intro.
Always turn the best out, so shake your pants and get what I bet. Feel with me, touch with me, let me see, dance with me. Ooh, yeah. I like it tonight. Stop me, let out, just watch me, and I'll show you how. We are free to move, and we can move all night. Our body is just right. And we'll sexolate till the time. Let's move, yeah. Let's move. Just wanna move. Our body is just right. Shake your pants, and
Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. This is the time to plan for it because registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website for detailed information at www.lmiunola.com. See how I'm out of breath? That's called cardio conditioning. That's what you want. You want to get that heart rate up. Make sure you check out the step-by-step instruction. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.